What's up guys, thank you. So there was a time the Oppo F series launched as the international variant of the Oppo R series, but that has changed. Both series are now sold in the same markets these days. However, it appears Oppo may revert back to the old system based on this poster of the Oppo R19. The Oppo R19 looks like the Oppo F11 Pro. The R19 is clearly launching in China, and we know the F11 Pro is making its way to India in early March. The front of Oppo R19 has shaved off bezel, but there is a thin cutout in the top frame for the speaker. There is no notch or punch hole, which means the phone has a pop-up selfie camera, much like the Vivo V15 Pro. On the back, the R19 has dual rear cameras with an LED flash above the sensors. They are positioned in the middle of the device and connected to the frame. The main camera is a 48 megapixel sensor. There is no fingerprint scanner on the rear, but there is also no fingerprint icon on the display, but it most likely has an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Oppo R19 has a blue-purple gradient finish but should launch in other colors too. There is no info on when it will be announced, but we would not be surprised if Oppo unveils it in China before the Oppo F11 Pro launches in India.